welcome back. Our next guests are a new band with a debut album coming out this Friday, but many of them are familiar faces to the New Orleans music scene. The name of the group is Captain Buckles. I am so excited to talk to them here in our Chip 4 style soundstage. Please help me welcome Smitti Supab, the band leader and bassist, and Alex Mallet. He's the songwriter and he's a guitarist. Welcome to the show.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks so much for coming on, and look, congratulations on this new band. Y'all looking good. Again, heavy hitters in this band. A lot of bands that you know and love that have actually been on this show are there in this band as well. Now I gotta ask you this. First of all, buckle up. I love the name of the band, Captain Buckles. Where does this come from?
It's actually a song from David Fathead Newman.
Okay.
An album, and he's a sax player for Ray Charles back in the day.
And what about that song that made you say, okay, this has got to be the name of the band?
Well, it's a funky song, and you know, the Rolling Stones named their band after like a song as well. So kind of in that vein, in the same homage to that, and to David Fathead Newman and funk and Ray Charles and kind of our roots.
Come on, give us that history lesson. We love to see that. And I want to congratulate you all because, again, your debut album coming out this Friday, November 14th. Okay, Alex, you were actually a songwriter on this album. You did 4 of the instrumentals. Tell us a little bit more about your message on this album. Why are we hurrying up?
Well, sometimes you got to get somewhere and you got to get there on time, and you don't want to be the guy that's late. So you got to hurry up.
Come on, it's that simple.
Yeah.
I love it. And tell me more about your songwriting process, because again, a lot of the songs he did on the album, Beautiful People, they don't have words. It's all instrumental, and you've been playing the songs for years to craft them into the deliciousness that they are now.
A lot of these songs would be started with an idea in my head, and I might just have a voice recorder on my phone and start with that, and then we'll bring them into the band, and then this band definitely helped finalize the sound and the feeling of the songs.
That is so awesome.
Yeah.
Shout out to the band. We love a collaborative process. And you know, I was reading some information about you all. Smitty, you were saying how at the end of the day, what makes this band different than all of the other bands that they all play in is that you all want to celebrate the uniqueness and the individuality. I believe in that. What is that power for you in celebrating the differences that we all have?
Well, I think it's a lot of there's some humility in it, and there's also a lot of acceptance that, you know, we're all kind of our own unique gumbo.
Yes.
And what we believe and how we feel about certain things are subject to change, and we grow as human beings as well. And I think as a band and playing music together, I think a lot of these things are kind of lost in the mix oftentimes, and people have this idea of what should be done or how to achieve success, but they kind of lose sight. I feel they kind of lose sight of the idea of just like, okay, what do you like? You know, what influenced you, and do you want to share it with people? What do you want to share with people? And
I love it. I think it's such a powerful message, and I think it's great that you all are taking that message and now creating a band and now a debut album. Thank you so much for being here. Look, they're going to be our house band all throughout the show today. So again, buckle up for Captain Buckles, okay? Y'all go ahead and get in place. And look, everybody, do not forget their debut album, Hurry Up, is coming out this Friday. Everywhere music is heard. For more information on where you can see them live next, log on to CaptainBucklesBand.com, and of course, follow them on social media. Now, everybody, let's check out their sound. Here's the band performing maybe the new Mardi Gras anthem. It's called Raindrops on Mardi Gras in our Chip 4 style soundstage. Take it away.
Seems like everybody's throw the towel in. But we made it through so many times before. I know we're gonna overcome again. That's why we're dancing like we just don't care. 'Cause we got sunshine in our soul. And they just can't keep us down. We're gonna keep on coming like raindrops on Mardi Gras. Raindrops on Mardi Gras. Raindrops on Mardi Gras. Raindrops on Mardi Gras.
We are back in our Chip 4 South soundstage with Captain Buckles Band. They have a new album out this Friday called Hurry Up. Here they are performing now, Cringe. Take it away. We want to thank the Captain Buckles Band for being our house band today here in our Chip 4 style soundstage. Oh my goodness, look, before they wrap up our show, let's meet the rest of the band. Band leader Smitti. Okay, can we start with the keys and the vocals? Raindrops on Mardi Gras. Who is this gentleman?
That's Rob Davis, New Orleans native.
All right, Rob.
Yeah.
Now, wait a minute. Some of them got their back towards us because I think they want their moment, okay? On drums, who we got?
Ezell Smith Jr.
Hey, make some noise. Come on. Guitar player and songwriter. Name him one more time for us.
Alex Mallet.
Woo, 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 woo. Oh, you were playing that guitar so good on that song, Cringe. Oh, my goodness, so good. And last but not least, he is a ham and we love it. Also on the keys, who we got?
Mr. Phil Breen.
They are a mess. Oh my goodness. And of course, Smitti Supab, everybody, make some noise for him. Woo, 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 woo. Look, thank y'all so much for being here. They've been together for about a year, but look, a lot more coming you all's way. Don't forget, you can check out their debut album this Friday. It's called Hurry Up. Thanks so much for being here, Smitti. Go ahead and get in place so you can get ready to give us some funk soul. And if you want to find out where you can hear them perform live next, CaptainBucklesBand.com. With that being said, that'll do it for us on Great Day today. But we'll see you back here tomorrow. Until then, let's make it a great day, Louisiana, and enjoy the Captain Buckles Band performing Itis, Like If You've Eaten Too Much, in our Chip 4 style soundstage. Take it away, y'all.
Bye.